They didn't ghost you because you were weak. They did it because they needed power. Breaking someone's ego starts with silence, not revenge. Step 1. Stop reacting. No texts, no stories, no proof you care. Silence creates pressure. Words never can. Step 2. Test the mirror. Tap share on any reel, then open your DMs. If their name appears, they're still watching. That's not love. That's curiosity mixed with regret. Step 3. Use the red shirt method. Change one small thing about yourself. A color, a look, an energy. Make them question if they ever knew you at all. Step 4. Never double text. The moment you repeat yourself, you hand them control. Stay quiet and let uncertainty speak for you, because silence turns their confidence into doubt, and curiosity is the doorway to regret. When they wonder why you stopped chasing, they finally start.